Alright, well, so I have this broken screw that I'm trying to get, which is one of these little thumb screws here, right? Has been broken off inside the mount. I don't know, I can't get a very good picture, but anyhow, so I super glued this, what is it, 2mm, I don't remember the cutting, but anyways, 2mm screw on here, right? So anyhow, hopefully this is gonna work. And it looks like it's working. This is looking really good. It's coming out. Oh. It's out far enough. I didn't think this was gonna work. I was really thinking I was gonna take this whole thing apart, but wow, there it is. Holy cow.